So this kind of question is basically, the previous question is given two numbers. We are asked to find the LCM. So for this question, what we are asked to do is, given the LCM, we work backwards to find the number. So the first one is our n. Now we don't know what n looks like, but then we have 6. And 6 is, if we prime factorize, is equals to 2 multiplied by 3. And our LCM 24, this is equals to 2 power 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, so 2 power 2 multiplied. So it suggests that if 2 power 2 is present in the LCM, that means 2 power 2 must either be in n or 6. And you can see that, sorry, it's not 2 power 2, 2 power 3, my bad. Okay, 2 power 3, okay, so it's in 2 power 3. So 2 power 3 is present either in, it must be present either in the numbers n or the number 6. And since 6 does not have it, n must contain your 2 power 3. Okay, and the number 3 must appear in either n or 6 or both. And you can see that 6 already has a factor 3, so n can either have or don't have. Okay, so of course n here minimally has to be equals to 2 power 3. Okay, this will be the, equals to 8. That will be the smallest value possible. That will be the smallest value of n. Another possibility is, this one can also contain 3. So if it contains 3, right, then it's okay as well. So n can be equals to 2 power 3 times 3, which is equals to 24. But just take note that this is not the smallest. The smallest is 8. This is not the smallest value of n. Okay, so that's all for example 3.7.